Sairam.
Sairam.
Pushpa Sairam, Sairam Sai.
Hazur Sairam, Hazur Sairam.
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 Sairam, Sairam.
साईत्रयाय विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। साईत्रयाय विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। साईत्रयाय विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। शांति शांति शांति। सर्वविघ्न विनाशाय सर्वकल्याण हेतवे पार्वती प्रिय पुत्राय श्री गणेशाय नमो नमः। माया देवी प्रिय पुत्राय श्री संजय साई नमो नमः। शांति शांति शांति। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। शांति शांति शांति। चरण स्पर्श भगवान बाबा त्वं शरणं मम।
Namaste, Sairam. Today we have Sai Mahatma from Chitra Narayan, whom we fondly call as Chitrama. Dr. Chitra Narayan, who's fondly called as Chitrama, is someone who's known for the role in early education, her books, social work, but most importantly, for her devotion and commitment to Swami Sanjay Sai mission. Everyone in this world has a system of values to guide one's thoughts and actions. The values might be articulated as they govern our actions and thoughts. She, Chitrama, feels it is essential for our individual good as well as for the welfare of the society that we have the right value system with the sole aim to integrate values in curricular and co-curricular activities. Her journey started in Oman from 1990. Since then, it has been her sole mission to provide educare for young children. She began the journey as a director in Gulf Nursery in 1993, which later became Middle East Nursery with Farida Al-Sajali. The citadel of learning happens at Middle East Nursery, where children from 10 different nationalities, and the medium of instruction is love. Apart from education, the teachers involve themselves and the school children to do service activities like distributing dry rations to needy people during the holy month of Ramadan and serving labor communities with clothes and eatables. With this input, and in addition to compiled written tips for parents, teachers, students, through dramas and other creative presentations for the development of the mind and their thoughts is what happens. Now, she's been having a wonderful career. If you look, was one among 18-member team in inspiring Satyasai schools in India, ISSE Mauritius board member 2012 to 15, Tamil World Economic Development Congress board member from 2016 till date, and she is the chairperson of Sri Sanjay Sai Seva Organization International Oman chapter. She's written many books: Tamil poetry collection on nature in 1984, editor for a monthly magazine from Mumbai for 2 years, drama for the development of humanity, and the list goes on. Apart from education, when we look at the achievements, is how the children have come and involved in the social work, starting from home. And this is through the Hope functions, honoring parents every day, which is a regular feature of the Middle East Nursery that is achieved even through online classes are happening currently during the pandemic. Also participation in Dar al-Hana activities monthly. And in the year 2002, Dr. Chitranarayan was trained by Dr. Art Ong Jumsai, the scientist who has sent Viking spacecraft to Mars to combine holistic education and totally working towards the goal, which is academic excellence. And the stress is, should always focus with human excellence. With all this aside, her biggest moment has been when Bhagwan Sanjay Sai Baba, on his 29th birthday on January 19th, announced the formation of Oman chapter with Chitrama as the chairperson. Yet another big moment was when Baba made the first abroad visit after India to Oman, to all our delight, in 2017 and later in 2019. And we are still looking forward to yet another visit and many more to come. She's also been awarded in several ways, and the latest being Women in Education. And with that, Chitrama, we're looking forward to hearing from you today.
त्वमेव माताश्च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव. Seeking my Guru, my Lord, my Master and my God, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba's grace to flow through this voice. ईश्वरीय कमल को चरण, आदरणीय प्रणाम मेरो भगवान श्री संजय साई बाबा की कमल चरण में. साईराम परिवार का आदरणीय ताजुभाई सदा तिथि बहनी हरू र प्रभु का संपूर्ण प्यारा चोरा चोरी मा हृदय देगिनै प्रणाम करना जहंचु. Though God is beyond languages, my Lord and my Master has descended in Nepal to ascend mankind. Hence, I began my talk in little Nepali language today. Loving Sai Ram to all my brothers and sisters, because I am here only because of everybody's love. Because throughout my life, Bhagwan has drenched me in love from my children, from all my friends, and from everyone. So loving Sai Ram to all of you. Before I begin my experiences, I would like to offer my gratitude and pranams to the international chairman, Brother Pratap Thakur, who is instrumental in bringing me to Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba's fold. My pranams to Pratap Bhai. I'm very happy to offer myself during the month of Guru Purnima at the lotus feet of Guru. Guru, when we think, the first point is, in the presence of Guru, one feels calm, quiet, pure and steady. In the presence of Guru, we want to speak so many things, but we become speechless. Mind and speech comes to full standstill when we are sitting in front of Bhagwan. Guru attracts like a magnet. Magnet attracts iron. The same way, Guru attracts disciple. Quality of a Guru is to attract. Guru is compassionate. True Guru goes beyond our limitations and attracts us in spite of our petty mind, pitfalls and weaknesses. Now, Aditya Sinha, can you see what is this in my hand?
Yes, Chitrama, it's a laddu.
Laddu, okay. So full laddu is there in my hand, okay? Bhagwan is full laddu. And when we break the laddu, what happens? We get bundi. When we break the laddu, we get bundi. So he is full. Purnamidam purnat Purna mudachyate, Purnasya Purnamadaya, Purnameva vasishyate. He is full. The laddu is full. But when every devotee feels that the Guru belongs to him, he comes as bundi, gives the same love and same taste to everyone. The taste of love, the nectar of Bhagwan, is something which is beyond words. Now, Lata Ishwar, can you tell me what is this?
It's a chocolate, Amma.
Yes, this is chocolate. How does it taste?
It's very, very sweet.
How do you know that it is sweet?
Chocolate always, I feel, since my birth, it's a sweet.
Because you have tasted.
Yes.
Because you have tasted, you know that it is sweet.
Yes.
The same way, when we go to Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba, when we hear his words, when we listen to his discourses, when we engulf ourselves with his love, we understand the sweetness and completeness and the glory of God. So God is limitless. God cannot be measured. He is immeasurable. Guru corrects our path. Guru is the way. He is the goal. Sometimes we say, Swami, we want your grace. But in fact, we cannot utter a word without Swami's grace. We develop interest in spirituality only because Bhagwan's grace is there. Otherwise, we cannot come near Swami. We should deserve first before we desire. His clarion call came to me in 2014 December. Because after Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba's Mahasamadhi, I was going to so many gurus, and at one point of time I had a insight in my meditation. Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba guided that, like start with 108 Divya Desa Yatra, and that is how I started going to different temples. But so many gurus also came to Oman, including Dayananda Saraswati, Madhivoli Saraswati, and so many people. So I used to long, like for Swami's presence, and so many days I used to cry so much. And after completing many places, I just went for a lecture in Dharmakshetra, and at that time spoke to Brother Pratap Bhai. He called me to his house. I went to his house, 2014 December. And immediately Pratap Bhai started telling so much about Bhagwan Sanjay Sai Baba, and he said, you should, come, you are chosen. He said so many things. I have not even had darshan of Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. At that time, he gave me one small photograph of Bhagwan, and then he gave the book. I came, Swami's, face and photo, I kept it in my altar, and I used to tell, Swami, you are looking so cute. You are looking like Amul baby. Like that only, I was talking to Swami every day in the altar, and my journey was just going on. In 2016, I was to go to Muktinath. At that time, Pratap Bhai said that, Chitrama, you are going to Nepal, and make sure that you are planning your trip with Amir Bhai, because he will connect and correct you to all the places in a beautiful manner. And I had a talk with Amir Bhai. Normally, before we go to any place, we need to do so many things. But here, Nepal planned totally, it was planned by Bhagwan. With his guidance and grace, Amir Bhai had planned entire thing. I went with my friend Karpakam. We reached Kathmandu, had beautiful darshan in Muktinath, and then on the 24th of March, I landed in Vrindavan Ashram. We had lunch, and before that, in the airport, they asked, where are you going to stay? What is your address? You have come to see whom? So I don't know where we are going to stay, but I wrote, Sri Sanjay Sai Baba Ashram, Kathmandu, like that I wrote. And we landed, we had our food in the ashram, then we were sitting, and I saw Satya Sai's photograph and Shirdi Sai's photograph, and I was praying in my mind that, to Satya Sai Baba. I said, Swami, you have brought me here, if you want to give that connection, you give, because you know what is good, what is right. I just surrender to you. Otherwise, I'll think that I have come to see a guru and I will go from this place. Like that, I prayed in my mind. And after some time, Swami came. The same look, first time when Swami did like this to me, like in Parthi. The same way, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba came and he patted and asked, like, how are you? How was your journey? I was crying so much. I couldn't say anything. Then after Aarti and other things, we went to the interview room. Swami materialized chain for me. I said, Swami, now I am not interested in materialistic things. What I want is your grace and guidance always. But Swami said, no. In Sai Kulvantal, when I materialize for somebody, you were thinking about, like how nice it will be if Swami materializes for me also. So that Icha I am fulfilling. And the chain was just like too tight. It was like till here. Amir Bhai, Manju Babi, all of them, they know. It was here, it was little bit tight for me. And Swami did like this, the chain started coming down. On its own, the chain started coming down. And we had, like beautiful sparshan, darshan, sambhashan. I know that, he is my God. Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba has just guided and brought me, and with all the blessings and grace, he has brought me to the Charan Kamal of Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. I have absolutely no doubt at that moment until now, and I'm sure till my last breath, I will not have, because it is only his grace that has brought me to Bhagwan. I was very, very happy. The same day I made 100 calls and I told everybody. Then we had, like in Amir Bhai's house, beautiful darshan for holy function. And one thing I must tell, not because Amir Bhai is there, but Swami, like told me, I said, Swami, I want to make you happy. Swami said, nobody can make me happy. I am happy always. I'm always happy. But if you are happy doing what you like, you are making me happy. So you should be happy first. Then I asked, like, what should I do, Swami? How can I serve your mission? Like I want, because I'm not getting sleep, I'm not getting this one. My mind is only with you. At that time, Swami said, you be like Amir Bhai, because there are lots of people who will, like, who will be authoritative, jealous, like talk. So many things are there in life, but be loving to everybody. Even, like if anybody is talking bad about you, also think about me and forgive. So I always, like Swami has told, so I keep Brother Amir Bhai as my role model. Because Swami himself has said that, like, be like Amir Bhai. It is, like such a great, it was so beautiful. And Swami was, like more than 8-9 hours, he was giving lots of talks about spirituality. And in the meantime, I started with the Bhagwan Sanjay Sai Baba's, Satya Sai Baba's grace, started Soul Blossom class. And it was known as Soul Blossoms, but Bhagwan Sanjay Sai Baba has, like guided me to name it as Sri Sanjay Sai Soul Blossom class. So the same year in Guru Purnima time, went to Guru Purnima, and Punyavati Kshetram Bhumi Puja was to be done, like after Guru Purnima day. So I was there, and I had severe fever, stomach upset, and I was not, like able to even balance myself and sit. So I was sitting in a chair near Jen's side, and said, Swami called me to offer Aarti. And see, normally ladies, we stand in ladies' side and take Aarti. But that day I couldn't even walk. So I was standing in Jen's side and I was taking Aarti. And I had, like beautiful darshan of Lord Narayana in 7 rath. In 7 horses are there, and Swami is just sitting. And that darshan, it made me to feel so giddy, and I lost myself. I couldn't, like somehow I completed Aarti and I just sat there only. Then after 2 hours also I couldn't come back to myself, and severe vomiting was there, and I was not feeling well. And Swami, told me to eat something. Whatever I was eating, that also was coming out. Then straight away, 2 hours journey in the car, we reached the ashram, and with all the love and guidance, Bhagavan has arranged a doctor who's from, who is the physical physician of Bhagavan himself. So he came and he gave some tablets, and Swami at that time materialized Ganga water, and I was, given medicine with that water. Others are telling it is Ganga water, Swami materialized, but I'm not, I was not in that frame of mind to see anything. I became all right. It is not, it is like Bhagavatam, it is, actually, Guru Sikate, Bhagavan Dikate. Swami always says, God shows, Guru guides, God shows. Swami is showing, in so many ways. This is one. I just want to share 2 more things, because there are innumerable things what Bhagavan has done. And in 2018, we went to Chikmagalur. At that time, I was to come back to Oman, and Swami was going to Kathmandu from Bangalore. So at one point of time, there was a Nariyal Pani shop. When we were returning, all the vehicles were standing there, Swami's vehicle also. I was in tears, because when we are going to see Swami, we are totally charged and we are very happy. But when we are returning back from Kathmandu or any place, we feel very sad, because that separation is, that is why, God, he always, that omnipresence that we should understand. But many a times, the mind and soul craves for the physical presence also. It is so difficult to, 2 years since we have seen Swami, and so many times I cry. I know that he is there to guide and God, but still, that mind has not that much blossomed to think that, okay, God is in Kathmandu, he is omnipresent, he is there, because that physical presence is so much, it attracts so much, and that love, it drenches us and it helps us to forget everything in life. So at that time, Swami said, Nariyal Pan. I said, Pranam Swami, I'll be reaching tomorrow in Muscat. Tomorrow morning. Immediately Swami said, okay, bye. Bye. And then he asked, what is the meaning of bye? I said, we'll see you later. Afterwards, we will see. At that time, Swami said, no, Baba, yours ever. Bye. Swami said, Baba, yours ever. I was just holding Swami's hand, and I was crying so much. I always feel, every time he speaks through my conscience, every minute. I always feel I have that inner connection with the Divine Master. So he said, anybody says anything, but when you feel that, when you know that you are serving the Master, you are serving the God, you will only feel love. You will not feel any other thing. Yes, because whatever happens, I know finally I should do with all my might. I need to surrender, and I need to only, think about my Bhagavan's mission and Bhagavan's glory. Nothing should affect me. This is what it is. And in 2019, we went to Kailash Manasarovar Yatra, and it was such a beautiful experience going with Swami. He has taken me from the position of faith to trust. Outer Divine Master instills faith, but the inner Divine Master takes to the point of trust. Faith may be shaken, because sometimes, when what we want is not achieved, the faith is shaken. But when thirst is there, when trust is there, it is unshakable. When trust is there, it is unshakable. We know that with trust, whatever happens, it is happening for our good. Because that sort of mentality we feel. So if anybody shouts, if anybody, that does not matter, because like maybe this is my karma, I am just undergoing. But my Swami loves me. I have to do for my Bhagavan. Always Swami said, if I cannot do this for my God, who will do? I only have to do, and I have to do. That should be your mission. This is what I have instilled in my heart. And in 2019, Swami's second divine visit. With this, I will complete my talk. Though so many things are there. When Swami comes, before that only 7 days, I don't get sleep. I constantly used to chant Gayatri Mantra because everything should. He is the doer, but still, we have that ajnana. We have to rise up to that level. Swami should be taken care. All those things are there in our mind. So in 2019, when Swami came, he was in Oman for 10 days. So 9th day, we returned back. And from Wahiba Sands on 8th day, 9th day after the thing, morning breakfast, I had taken breakfast to Swami's room. Swami and Sami, both of them were there. And then I offered, at that time, Swami, he asked one extra plate. I took. So Swami gave that, filled something, and he gave that plate to me. And he said, now you sit and eat here. I said, Swami, I'll go down and I'll eat with others, no problem. Swami said, no, now you eat. Okay. And I was in tears. I was eating. And then Swami said, both acha kiya sab. And then Swami said, I'm giving 3 years of my life to you to serve in my mission. Immediately, Samin Bhai told, Chitrama, Baba said, I will live for 90 years. I am giving 5 years of my life to you. I said, I don't want any extension of my life. Till my last breath, Swami, my hands are not so strong. Your hands are strong. Please hold me always. So that till my last breath, I think about you. I think about you. And I only think about you. This is the only thing I need, Swami, I said. I live those moments every time. Because when the Soul Blossom children of Oman, when they learn something, when they sing, so much of enthusiasm, all the children, parents, everybody has got. I see Swami in each and every one of them because they demand so much. That is even what we have not taught, they learn from their parents and they want to offer it to Swami. So I used to think, we need to rise to their level because they want to learn something more. I can't just give them small things. I need to equip myself. The same way, each and every program when we are doing, it is not that, we are doing, but even that planning, Swami gives that idea, how to go about it, how to do things. Everything is Swami's, blessing. So all that, anything and everything in Oman chapter that is done, it is only because of his pure grace. And I have love of all the management committee members, all the Soul Blossom parents, all the people in Oman chapter. I cannot ask anything more than this because if somebody is, I only ask Bhagavan, give me strength so that we offer more and more at your divine lotus feet. All I am is because of my Bhagavan, Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. And all I will be is because of his love and his grace. I give myself at his lotus feet. I have nothing except to offer myself at the lotus feet of my dear Bhagavan. Swami, anytime I have given any trouble or little bit, with my prayers, forgive me. I love you, Swami. And may this pandemic end soon. And may we all be given physical darshan in Nepal and help me to grow and glow in your mission with all your grace, compassion, and blessings. Forever, I am yours, Bhagwan. Swam Charanam Mama. Sai Ram.
जय 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 गणपति देवा, 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 जय 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 गणपति देवा। गजानना 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 हे गणपति देवा, गजानना हे गणपति देवा, गजानना हे गणपति देवा, गजानना हे गणपति देवा। जय 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 गणपति देवा, जय 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 गणपति देवा, जय 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 गणपति देवा। गजानना 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 हे गणपति देवा, गजानना हे गणपति देवा, गजानना हे गणपति देवा। जय 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 गणपति देवा। साई राम।
अरुणा रमणा श्री गुरुदेवा, अरुणा रमणा श्री गुरुदेवा, शेषा रमणा सद्गुरुदेवा, शेषा रमणा सद्गुरुदेवा, अरुणा रमणा श्री गुरुदेवा, अरुणा रमणा श्री गुरुदेवा। भवभयहरणा श्री साई देवा, भवभयहरणा श्री साई देवा, श्री साई देवा, श्री साई देवा, श्री साई देवा, श्री साई देवा। भवभयहरणा श्री साई देवा, गुरु है सतचित आनंद देवा, गुरु है सतचित आनंद देवा, आनंद देवा श्री साई देवा, आनंद देवा श्री साई देवा, अरुणा रमणा श्री गुरुदेवा, अरुणा रमणा श्री गुरुदेवा, शेषा रमणा सद्गुरुदेवा, शेषा रमणा सद्गुरुदेवा, अरुणा रमणा श्री गुरुदेवा। भवभयहरणा श्री साई देवा, भवभयहरणा श्री साई देवा, श्री साई देवा, श्री साई देवा, श्री
जगदोद्धारिणी माता दुर्गा जगदोद्धारिणी मां जगदोद्धारिणी माता दुर्गा जगदोद्धारिणी मां जगदोद्धारिणी माता दुर्गा जगदोद्धारिणी मां जागो जागो मां जागो जागो मां जागो जागो मां जननी जागो जागो मां जागो जागो मां जागो जागो मां जननी हे गौरी देवी रणचंडी देवी हे शिवरमणी जागो मां हे गौरी देवी रणचंडी देवी हे शिवरमणी जागो मां हे शिवरमणी जागो मां जागो जगदोद्धारिणी मां जागो जगदोद्धारिणी मां जागो जागो मां जागो जागो मां जागो जागो मां जननी जागो जागो मां जागो जागो मां जागो जागो मां जननी जागो जागो मां जननी जागो जागो मां जननी जय सर
ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः 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 शिव शिव हर हर हराय नमः हर हर शिव शिव शिवाय नमः शिव शिव हर हर हराय नमः हर हर शिव शिव शिवाय नमः हर हर महादेवा 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 धम ढम 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 ढमरू बाजे धिमि तक मृदंग बाजे धम ढम 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 ढमरू बाजे धिमि तक मृदंग बाजे ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः शिव शिव हर हर हराय नमः हर हर शिव शिव शिवाय नमः हर हर महादेवा हर हर महादेवा हर हर महादेवा हर हर महादेवा ढम 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 ढमरू बाजे धिमि तक मृदंग बाजे ढम 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 ढमरू बाजे धिमि तक मृदंग बाजे ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः Om Namah Shivaya Shivaya Namo.
नटवरलाल गिरिधर गोपाल नटवरलाल गिरिधर गोपाल मीरा के प्रभु श्याम गोपाल मीरा के प्रभु श्याम गोपाल नटवरलाल गिरिधर गोपाल वेद सार जीवन का आधार वेद सार जीवन का आधार मुरली मनोहर हृदय विहार मुरली मनोहर हृदय विहार नटवरलाल गिरिधर गोपाल नटवरलाल गिरिधर गोपाल मीरा के प्रभु श्याम गोपाल नटवरलाल गिरिधर गोपाल वेद सार जीवन का आधार वेद सार जीवन का आधार मुरली मनोहर हृदय विहार मुरली मनोहर हृदय विहार नटवरलाल गिरिधर गोपाल गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी नंद किशोरा नवनीत चोरा नंद किशोरा नवनीत चोरा पार्थी विहारा बड़ा चित चोरा हृदय विहारा बड़ा चित चोरा गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा पार्थी विहारा बड़ा चित चोरा हृदय विहारा बड़ा चित चोरा गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी जय गुरु साई राम जय गुरु साई राम जगत गुरु सत्य साई राम जगत गुरु संजय साई राम जय गुरु साई राम ब्रह्म विष्णु शिव साई राम ब्रह्म विष्णु शिव साई राम परब्रह्म रूप साई राम परब्रह्म रूप साई राम माता पिता गुरु साई राम माता पिता गुरु साई राम जगत गुरु सत्य साई राम जगत गुरु संजय साई राम जय गुरु साई राम जगत गुरु सत्य साई राम जय गुरु साई राम ब्रह्म विष्णु शिव साई राम पर ब्रह्म रूप साई राम माता पिता गुरु साई राम जगत गुरु सत्य साई राम जगद्गुरु संजय साई राम, जय गुरु साई राम। साई राम।
KNV.
సాయిరామ్. శ్రీనివాస వెంకటేశ, శ్రీనివాస వెంకటేశ, శ్రుతజన పరిబాలా సాయిష, శ్రీనివాస వెంకటేశ, తిరుపతి గిరివాస గోవింద, గరుడ వాహన గోవింద, గోవింద గోవింద గోవింద, శ్రీనివాస గోవింద, గోవింద గోవింద, షిరిడివాస గోవింద, గోవింద గోవింద, పత్తి నివాస గోవింద, శ్రీనివాస వెంకటేశ, హృదయన పరిబాల సాయిష, శ్రీనివాస వెంకటేశ, తిరుపతి గిరివాస గోవింద, గరుడ వాహన గోవింద, గోవింద గోవింద గోవింద, శ్రీనివాస గోవింద, గోవింద గోవింద, షిరిడివాస గోవింద, గోవింద గోవింద, పత్తి నివాస గోవింద, గోవింద గోవింద, నేపాల్ వాస గోవింద, గోవింద గోవింద, షిరిడివాస గోవింద. సాయిరామ్.
हर प्राणी से साई, हर प्राणी में बाबा, सब प्रेम करो, सब प्रेम करो, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। दिन दुखियों से प्रेम करो, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। दिन दुखियों से प्रेम करो, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। साई मेरा मैं तेरा, साई मेरा मैं तेरा, प्रेम की बहती धारा, प्रेम की बहती धारा। दिन दुखियों से प्रेम करो, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा साई, मेरा साई, मेरा साई, साई साई साई, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। दिन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। साई मेरा मैं तेरा, प्रेम की बहते धारा, प्रेम की बहते धारा। दिन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा, सभी साई प्रसन्न होगा।
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, 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 राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
My humble pranam at thy divine lotus feet of my God and my Guru, Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Chin Sparsh Bhagwan Baba. Chitrama, you are such a motivation to all of us. Thank you for the divine experience you shared with us today. We all know Bhagwan is with you. He is with all of us. But I am sure he is step by step with you. You are such a blessed soul. When Bhagwan Baba told me about you at the first time, he said, Chitra Amma is one of the 3 ladies, the strongest ladies in Sathya Sai fold. I used to wonder how you would look like, how you would talk, how you would encourage all of us. But today I'm here with pride, standing to say, you are such a motivation in all of our lives. Thank you, Chitrama, for being there for me. I have been very blessed by Bhagwan. When Bhagwan Baba sent me to Oman, I did not know why I was sent. It was out of blue. I had gone to Nepal for a visit and then India on a tour with Bhagwan Baba. And I'm happy that Raji asked me, to come and join for her breast cancer conference in Oman. I was pretty shocked. And I said, Raji, it's not in my hands. You have to ask for permission from Bhagwan Baba. And then she comes to me and says, Bhagwan Baba has said, okay, you can come. And many of us, including Amir Bhai, did ask this question with Bhagwan Baba. Why is Sanchita Sairam, Sanchita Didi sent to Oman? But today, we all know Bhagwan plans way ahead of us. And today, I stand here and say, yes, Bhagwan, you wanted us and Oman to be connected. and go ahead with the mission. We are there with you, Bhagwan Baba, and we promise until our last breath to be there with you. Om Shri Sai Ram. Tom Sharanam Bhagwan Baba. Sato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityurma mritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarvesham swastir bhavatu. Sarvesham shantir bhavatu. Sarvesham purnam bhavatu. Sarvesham mangalam bhavatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
मंगलकर प्रभु हे ओम जय संजय बाबा ओम जय संजय बाबा ओम जय संजय बाबा सत्य सनातन निर्मल सत्य सनातन निर्मल हे जग के दाता ओम जय संजय बाबा
Chitrama, we can't hear you. Chitrama, we can't hear you.
Sairam,
Yes, Sairam.
technology is technology. Samasta jiva sukino bhavantu. Samasta jiva sukino bhavantu. Samasta jiva sukino bhavantu. Oh. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rajati Raja Yogi Raja Parabrahma Sachidananda Sadguru Bhagwan Shri Sanjay Sai Baba Ji ki Jai. Arokya Pradaya Ashta Aishwaryadaya Bhagavan Shri Sanjay Sai Baba Ji ki Jai. Purna Kalasa Hastaya Brindavan Dham Nivasaya Bhagavan Shri Sanjay Sai Baba Ji ki Jai. Charan Spar Swami Tvam Charanam Mama.
Charan Sparsh Bhagwan Baba, Tvam Sharanam Mama.
Charan Sparsh
Sairam.
Sairam.
Sairam.